Hello, everybody, and welcome to our webinar. Let me introduce our producer, Pavel Frolov, and he will be here with a few words in the beginning. Pavel?
Hello, everybody. Please send plus in the chat if you see me and plus if you hear me. Okay, thank you. I'm very glad to see all of you on our webinar. And I would like to introduce to you ROBBO company. ROBBO has 3 offices now. One office is in Russia, in St. Petersburg, because in Russia we have best software developers in the world. Second office of ROBBO is located in Finland, in Helsinki, because in Finland we have best education experts in the world. And third office of ROBBO is located in Japan, in Fukuoka City, because in Japan we have best robotics engineers in the world. And ROBBO opened offices in Finland by the invitation of Finnish government after we won Finnish contest, Finlanding. And ROBBO opened office in Japan by the invitation of the Fukuoka City government after we won the contest Fukuoka City Startup Award. So together with these 3 offices, ROBBO building best education solution in the world to prepare people to live in the world of robotics, where all monotonous work will be done by robots, and only robotics engineers and IT engineers will have a job. Thank you very much. Good luck on this webinar, and I would like to introduce my colleague Maria Shipkova as well.
Hello, welcome to webinar. Hope it will be interesting. We will speak about online and offline ROBBO products. Let's start.
Yes, thank you, colleagues. And I would like to start with our short video. Please watch.
Overall, I think coding is really becoming an important subject in our education system. In the beginning, I was a bit worried. I mean, I'm not an expert in coding, but it turned out I didn't have to worry at all. They seemed to figure things out for themselves and picked up everything really fast. The instructions were clear and easy to understand. I'm truly amazed how independently the kids delved into the process of learning how to code. It's good to have a physical object, a robot, to make learning how to code more tangible. It motivates the children so much more.
Yes, so we continue with our webinar, and I will tell you in the beginning about the ROBBO company. First about our webinar today. So the duration of the webinar about 1.5 hours, plus we will answer your question in the end. So how you can ask the question, there is a window above with the question on it, so you can write your question there, and my team and me and Maria will answer them shortly. The video of webinar will be sent to you to your email after a few days. So what we will talk about? We will talk about the importance of technological education for children today, and so we will also talk about distant education for children because it's now most popular service in forced isolation what we have now. And we will talk also how to open a school of robotics and programming in the shortest possible time and with the minimal investment. So why is this webinar is so important? In this webinar, you will learn how to launch a service that people so desperately need right now, remote technological training. You will learn how to launch a school of programming and robotics with the ROBBO's help. You will learn why technology education is so important. And you will get also bonus from us. So the complete teaching guide of Scratch and robotics in English. So in this teaching guide, we are offering about the 30 lessons. You will see the how the lessons are built, what kind of experience children you could get, and it was developed together with the Finnish teachers and students, and with the help of Department of Teacher Education at the University of Helsinki. So ROBBO is an international robotic coding and 3D modeling school network. We have now more than 50,000 students in more than 18 countries around the globe. We are open more than 130 clubs, and we have our equipment and our curriculum in more than 200 school classes around the globe. So we are offering advanced technologies, which is a systematic approach to teaching, signature programs, teacher and kids assessment, license, registered trademark, management expertise, and we have a very reliable product. So curriculum which were made with the Finnish Methodological Center and equipment manufactured in Finland with all needed certification and approved in more than 60 Finnish schools. So the ROBBO is a winner of actually twice Google Rise Award. ROBBO won Startup Fukuoka, and we won a Finlanding as well. It's a Finnish government award here, and now we are working together with Aalto University in Finland, and we are Robotics member, and we work with Innokas. So here you can see, as Pavel already told to us, so that we have offices, and we have 3 offices around basically one is in Russia, one in Finland, and one in Japan. And we have many clubs around the globe. So what's the, how do we see the education now in the world? So basically, at this point, they are built as like a magic, and don't let the children be creators. So we are trying to give the knowledge to the children from the zero, that they don't think that it's a magic or it's that kind of magic that they can create themselves. So I think that all of you are very familiar with the STEAM education, which include 4 basics in it. It's a science, technology, engineering, mathematics. And as you can see here, the science and mathematics are very high, quite high, but technology and engineering is very, very low. So ROBBO invented the new word for this. So we have a stream at this moment. So we decided to add robotics and art to this so that we get a stream. So this is the all together. That's how we work. We include our science, technology, robotics, engineering, art, and math. So ROBBO has created a set of equipment, an electronic educational complex, which allows children to be truly creators, educators, use modern technology, and everything together develop your technology and engineering-free software skills and hardware. So what is ROBBO solution? It's very easy to use. It's support teachers and motivate students. It's an educational tool for children to learn the basic of technology, engineering, and coding. It's designed for the mass adoption, school and clubs, so schools and after-school clubs can use it. Ready to use and complete advanced task. No need to assemble basic models. It's just learn by changing parts of robot and programming the motion. And it's designed and manufactured in Finland. And it has all SE certificates, and the program and educational materials were developed in cooperation with Helsinki University and Department of Teacher Education and Finnish secondary schools from Innakas network. So we are now have a 3 product which is representing T and E in a STEAM concept. So we have a ROBBO kit. It's a comprehensive robot construction with 5 simple magnetic mount sensors and LED lights. Kids may replicate complicated technologies by programming robot and changing and combining sensors. So the another product is a ROBBO Lab, very easy robot to enter the world of technology. And we have a 3D printer. So kids may create a part of robots or create their own robots, and they can print the details to their creation on this 3D printer. This 3D printer is for kids who've been already studying in our labs, so it's for a bit older children from 9 to 15 years old. So let me now introduce Maria Shapkova, our regional manager at ROBBO, and she will tell you more about our products. Maria.
Thank you very much, Maria. Let's continue our webinar. What we are going to discuss further. ROBBO has 2 products, ROBBO Class for educational institutions and ROBBO Club. It is a business, a club for kids after school. Both of the products work offline and online now, so you can work via internet or as a class or a club. And of course, kids will be able to learn about our robots, ROBBO Kit. It is robotic platform on the wheels, and ROBBO Laboratory, a fantastic tool to make games and smart house. So let's watch a small video how class or club operates, our marketing manager will switch on the video for you, and then we will continue about the details of our products. Please.
Step after step, problems and solutions, trial and error, determination and triumph. ROBBO is 3D modeling and designing of robots, programming and circuit engineering. Let the children explore a great world with their small hands. They have what it takes to change the future, manage it, and enjoy it. ROBBO is open technologies, open mind, open doors, and unlimited possibilities for our children. Tomorrow, today, now.
So let's discuss the details how to work with our products. ROBBO class. ROBBO class is hardware, which you saw in the video. Curriculum, we have a fantastic curriculum, 2 years for each age groups of kids from 5 to 7 years old, from 8 to 10, and from 11 to 15 plus. And software. Software is free. And the unique feature of our products is that we grow up creators, and all the software and hardware are open source. ROBBO Club is a business where you can make money. It is also hardware, software, curriculum, and complete support from our company, from brand book to advertising in internet and social media. So let's talk about ROBBO Class. ROBBO Class is a solution for educational institutions that include a set of equipment, software, and teaching material. As well, it is coding, 3D prototyping, and 3D printing. Very important to know that ROBBO helps to train and educate teachers, and we give our certificate after which teachers are able to work in robotic classes. This is a solution which we provide like ROBBO Class, equipment and technical support, online teacher training for 2 teachers, and subscription to curriculum. Now we have a special offer. If you start with us now, you will get subscription to a curriculum 1 month free. To understand how to work with it, what it looks like, and what are the most valuable parts of the curriculum for you personally. Let's, in current situation where everybody is at home, class online is very important offer. So it is access to curriculum, teach online training, and curriculum 1 month access. More details about what subjects and modules we have in online class, we will learn further. Offline class, the difference in online class is that it is ROBBO Kit. You saw the robot on the wheels, and ROBBO Lab, Arduino Kit, circuitry set for making more advanced learning, and our patented 3D printer. Curriculum for 1 month is free, and the price of curriculum for year is 2,400 euro. Teacher training is provided as well. So this is the expenses to start ROBBO Class offline. It is different from the previous slide where ROBBO Class is online. So sorry I switched the wrong slide. So let's return to ROBBO Club. ROBBO Club franchise. It is a separate business. You start or online or offline, and you can educate kids in groups. A ROBBO Club franchise is a franchise of robotics and free programming schools where children are involved in the world of robotics and go all the way from the creation of the robot on the screen to the programming and implementing their own robots with their own hands with the help of 3D modeling and 3D printing. Programming is taught in the Scratch language adapted to children's perception. Robotic kits, Arduino microelectronic kits, and Robo Mini 3D printer are used as equipment. You saw on the pictures before. We now offer a unique opportunity to join our network with a distance education school franchise. It is 3 disciplines or 3 subjects which we taught in online school. It is programming, 3D modeling, circuitry engineering. Everything can be taught online, and our network of clubs are already working in this mode. It will never close. It doesn't depend on what's happening in around, and investment in equipment in this case is 0, and investment in a rent is 0. And you can do advertising all over the region. So this is a very important slide which describes the stages of development of distance education school franchise. We start with online education with 3 subjects: programming in RoboScratch, 3D modeling, and circuit engineering. After approximately 3 months of education, in case it is 1 lesson a week, the kid can pass to the second stage, online education plus equipment. It can be simply simple robots like auto dancing robot, or it can be Robo Lab and Robo Kid. And if you wish, afterwards you can open offline club. So please don't miss your chance to enter the regional market with distance education service. It is appropriated and a very unique opportunity from ROBBO. What is included in franchise package? It's not only materials, the access to the curriculum, to the education materials. It is full marketing and advertising support. It is a plan of the launch. Your personal startup manager, a person who started already a club, and will give you life hacks, what is the best way to move ahead. PR support, teachers selection, and teachers interviews. So we help you to select a proper teacher. And of course, full marketing and advertising support. On this slide, you see the franchise package, what goes together with the franchise online or offline. It is webinars, advertising, marketing, attracting clients, brand book, how to start business, pricing guidelines, following the research of your market. Please ask questions if you want to know more details about franchise package, because we have experience in more than 100 clubs all over the world, and we can immediately help you with starting quickly. ROBBO Club franchise. It's working under ROBBO brand, subdomain on ROBBO World, detailed business plan, brand book, sorry, testing system for children after the first year of education. What is testing system? We provide tests for kids. All of them get excellent marks because we have educational system from Finland, and teachers revise these tests to change the attitude and to help the kid to improve. As well, we have holiday camps. Of course, maybe it's offline holiday camps, but online holiday camps can be considered as well. It is more intensive education, 5 times a day, or 5 times a week, 1.5 to 2 hours a day. So this is online franchise investment. We have franchise fee, 10,000 euro, and in this fee we provide all the support which was described before, from website to advertising online to guide and support. Initial advertising and marketing is more expensive in online mode, but it permits you to attract the students very quickly. Franchise investments online. It is equipment, 3D printer, and everything is according to the brand book and master plan. Fast-growing market of educational robots will almost double in 2 years. It is revenue in $1 billion and shipment of units. So the market is growing by 23%. Sorry. So, of course, there is a place for competition. On this slide, you see our competition, and ROBBO is leading in the sector where the kid will get programming skills and the existence of teaching materials. It is all very active companies, well known all over the world, with strong positions. But if you want to get a systematic education together with gaming and entertainment, it is definitely ROBBO. Our team is very experienced and professional. Svetlana Simavina, CEO and founder, is from the company from the very beginning and is one of the main role in its fantastic growth. Andrei Smirnov is CTO with more than 17 years of experience. Ekaterina Ikala is a B2B products director. Pekka Viljakainen is well-known international business consultant of many multinational companies and business schools. And Pavel Frolov, our current speaker, is Chief Marketing Officer, who started and founded ROBBO and a lot of successful businesses worldwide, and is moving ahead with great success. So, ROBBO mission: to prepare people for a promising, highly paid creative profession in the world of the future, where the monotonous work is done by robots. What are the professions? Seller of robots, operator of robots, robot programmer, service engineer of robots, innovative engineer developing future robots, and IT developer. And very important, robot key message. If you want your child to have a high-paid profession in the world of future, where all the work is done by robots, send the child to the nearest Robo Club. If there is no Robo Club near your house, open it with our franchise. So please ask questions in the question area or in the chat. I invite all the speakers to join me and to ask the questions.
Thank you, Maria, very much. I think we should go to the chat sector and try to go through all the questions.
With Robo Class, we can also make money, can't we? Yes, sure. I don't see the name. Sorry. Yes, Robo Class can be part of school as a class, as a robotic education class, and it can be paid class where kids parents pay monthly for the lessons. The difference from Robo Club is that you have a subscription to our curriculum, while in Robo Club, the curriculum is included into the franchise fee. Did I answer your question? So the next question. What will be included into the full marketing and advertising support in the case of Spain? In case it is Robo Club, it will be a full range of support. First of all, it is online club, so we will send all our standard advertising materials to be translated into the Spanish. You will get the page on robot.world website, robot.world/Spain, or how you will decide to call it. And we will put all the information on this web page, including the payment system for the parents who would like their kids to go to the club. As well, we will have startup sessions every week to start the club during 3 months. Teachers, we will help you to find the teachers. Yes, sure, yeah. It's what we started recently. It is in Romania. And it is all the variety of support to start the business. We have texts of advertising to find teachers. Our main teacher will interview them to help you to make the decision. The media campaigns will be tuned for you by our marketing experts, and we will run marketing campaigns to attract the first students to the club and to move rapidly to the return of the investments for the club. In 3 months, we will handle marketing campaign to you or to your administrator, and then you will be able to work in internet advertising yourself. Did I answer your question, Mikhail? Please write me in the chat. The copy of the webinar will be sent to the participants. This question, does any investment needed on the social franchise business? If I understand correctly, the business model will be the same. The question is, what will be the source of money? It is very typical situation for us when the source of money will be government or social funds. It is absolutely fine with us. We have very transparent agreement for customers, and you can present it to local authorities or to social funds. How would the good question? How would be about only online model? You will mention the city or the region in which you would like to work, and we will tune the advertising to this region. We limit in this model the number of students, so your teachers will be able to teach them during the week, because in online model the group is smaller than in offline model. In offline model it is 10 12 kids in a class, and a lot of lessons during the day, and in online model it is 5 kids in the class, and we will help you to work with Blue Jeans online education platform, which is secure. As well, we provide training how to teach kids online for you and for your teachers. Yes, a good question. Any individual like me need to invest on the social franchise business. Yes, it is possible. We can open not only one online club, but we can open 10 plus online clubs in the region or country. Please send us more details about your ideas, and we will answer and provide you a financial plan. About Lego education, a good question. We are not competing with Lego because we quite different. We have our own manufacturing of robots, and our own in Finland and St. Petersburg, Russia. And we have curriculum, 2 years curriculum for 3 age groups. Thank you. And our key message that we grow up creators. So the kid is able to disassemble robot or create robot from zero and write a program. So after our courses, kid, or it will be already teenager maybe, understands from A to Z how robots operate, how they are programmed and how they can be changed and improved. So it is not combining parts together in a black box and short game. It is education, development, preparing for the future life. Robot holiday camps. I will, thank you very much, Anna. I will tell you how camps are organized. It is a separate advertising campaign for camp. It is in the same place as ROBBO Club. If we are talking about offline, kids attend the club every day for 1.5 or 2 hours, and in 2 weeks they cover, let's say, 3 months of regular curriculum. They learn ROBBO Scratch, 3D modeling, like Tinkercad is a software of FreeCAD. They do 3D objects. We have in club 3D printer, so they create 3D objects and print them on the printer. They program a ROBBO laboratory and ROBBO kit. They learn how to use sensors, the sense of light, the sense of touch, the sense of distance. It is very involving, and they enjoy working in the club. At home, they can continue programming and 3D modeling because all the software is free. If parents are interested, they can buy our robots in club or online. But actually, it is not really required, but because we have robots already in our club. This is holiday camp, 2 weeks of robotic, and at the end we give the certificate, make small exam, and welcome the kid to join the club during in September or when the education in school starts. More questions, colleagues? Thank you for considering more details. Yes. Is this for, very good question, is this world competition of robotics in which you participate? Yes, we participate very actively in the competition. Anna, can you please, Anna is our marketing manager, send the link to the competition, which will be in September in Finland. It is international competition in creative programming, and winners will come to Helsinki in September. This is the link. Please join. We invite the professional to be judges in the competition, and we are actively participating in different competitions worldwide, of course, because we need new talents and to develop them. The main advantage of robot then are the vendors. I would say the open source software and hardware and curriculum. Of course, I think the ROBBO is the best in the world, but being strict, the company is open source. It is growing up creators and giving the profession of the future. Any other questions? I think I answered all the questions. If I don't, Can you please copy the question again? We have a financial model, very detailed for offline and online. We will contact you and send the right now. No, I have it, of course, but it's not a part of general webinar, and not everybody would like to see Excel spreadsheets in small numbers. We can agree a time to have a video conference, and yes, of course, it is very interesting model. The return of investment in online, can answer your question, in online model is 5 months. Actually, it can be changed quickly by the amount of investment in marketing and advertising. Yes, I will do it. Oh, okay, we will see the text of webinar, and maybe what are the government regulation needed? It depends on the country and how this country considers the club. In online solution, I don't think any regulations are needed. In offline solution, from time to time, the education license is required. In India, we have a very strong partners, and I think we can discuss this question separately. If you are working in a school, it is school, all the requirements to school are considered. If you are working in internet, it depends if it is considered an education or a business. So we investigated case by case, as well as the company registration and taxes. Okay? With pleasure. So, colleagues, any other questions? Good. We have a very interesting financial models for offline and online, and combined solutions. So we can calculate and implement all your ideas and plans to work. Generally, it's 10,000 euro investment as franchise fee, and in online solution, the investment into online marketing is required not only at the start as offline, but from month to month to keep the number of students to the desired number. Any other questions? So we covered ROBBO class and ROBBO club, online and offline solutions. Yes, please. It's offline and online solutions. We have curriculum. How would share the technology from Finland for online? Do you have experience with Erasmus Moon? The first, it is, if I understand the questions correctly. Yeah, Marie,
Sorry
please
to
answer.
interrupt you. So I think I could answer this question if we have an experience with Erasmus Plus program. Yes, I do. Yes. So last February, we had a group of students, 15 students, which came to Finland to study robotics through the Erasmus Plus program. So it was a 1.5 week program for them where they study robotics, programming, basically how they manufacture the robots and anything the robot was able to create. A very good program, and we invited our teacher and everything went well. So yes, we do. We are working with Erasmus. Maria?
Yes. We have on the website, we have a link to press statement on, yes, this is the link actually on how we worked with Erasmus. Yes, is there any project for Raspberry Pi? Good question. It is additional advanced project. Yes, the Raspberry Pi, as far as I know, can be connected to our robot, and you can program it, but it is more advanced as it is computed. This is our robot, and this is place of Raspberry Pi. For the best of my knowledge, it is ROBBO, and it is 15 plus project or 11 plus project. No problem. It's just having Raspberry Pi. Did I answer your question about Raspberry Pi? All components are welcome to work, and in case they can be programmed, and the kids have idea how to create and what the kid would like to create. Very simple. We grow up creators, the people who are able to build their own robots. It is a final result of education. They feel free, not limited by black boxes and ready parts. Any other questions? On this slide, you have our emails: Pavel Frolov, the founder of ROBBO, Maria Hakarainen, CEO ROBBO Finland, and Maria Shepkova, ROBBO Regional Manager. You're very welcome to ask questions, to pass our training, to become our teacher, and support robotic online and offline development all over the globe. So, colleagues.
Thank you, Maria, very much. It was a very interesting presentation from you. Thank you. Yes, thank you for participating in our webinar. I think we are ready to finish already. So if you have more questions, please write them on our emails. We will be glad to answer. Thank you and bye. See you in the next webinar.
Thank you so much. We'll be in contact. Bye.